Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to build an RFID based canteen and Mitran as payment gateway. Tools and materials. Before we start, let's prepare the tools and materials. We need an RFID module which is used to read the card. Then an RFID card or tag which will be used as the payment tool. Next, we use an ESP32 as the main microcontroller, then connects the system to the internet. We also need a breadboard to assemble the components and jumper wires to connect each pin. Finally, we use a USB cable and a laptop to power and run the system. Make sure everything is ready before moving to the next step. First, we assemble all the components, connect the RFID module to the ESP32 using jumper wires. Make sure all connections are correct and not lost. Use the breadboard to keep the circuit neat and organized. After that, connect the ESP32 to your laptop using a USB cable. If everything is correct, you will see an indicator light turn on. This means the device is powered and ready to use. Next, we test the RFID module. Tap the RFID card on the module. If it works, the system will read the UID of the card. This UID is a unique code for each card and will be used as the user identity. Make sure the UID can be read consistently every time the card is tapped. If it doesn't work, check the wiring again. Now, connect the ESP32 to a Wi-Fi network. This step is important because the system needs internet to send data. Make sure the Wi-Fi connection is stable. Once connected, the system is ready to communicate with the database. Now we move to the database part. Every time a card is tapped, the UID will be sent to Supabase. In Supabase, we already have used data such as UID, name, and balance. When the UID is received, the system will check if the user is registered. If the UID is found, the system will retrieve the user data including the balance. If not, the card will be considered unregistered. After the user data is retrieved, the system continues to the payment process. The system creates a transaction using Mitran. Mitran will process the payment automatically. If the transaction is successful, the user balance in Supabase will be reduced. If the transaction fails, the balance will remain the same. This process happens quickly because everything runs online. After the transaction is complete, the system gives a response. The ESP32 can turn on an LED or buzzer as a sign that the transaction is successful. If it fails, there may be no response or a different indicator. This helps the user know whether the payment was successful or not. Finally, we test the system. Try tapping several registered cards. Check if the UID is read correctly, data is sent to Supabase, the transaction is processed by Mitran, the balance is updated correctly. If everything works well, then the system is successfully built. With this system, content payment become faster, easier, and cashless. All transactions are recorded automatically in the database, making them easy to monitor. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.